them do this on the second night. Dornbach coming to a stop, trying to force Max Levy into the first position. They won't be allowed to do it for too long. We've got a TV schedule to stick to, boys. The crowd don't mind it, though. Putting on a bit of a show here, the two Maxes. Max versus Max. It's all about maximum speed. But for the moment, it's maximum skills on display. I think they can do this all night. And they will be given the hurry up pretty soon, I'm sure. Could be Max Levy looking for a little bit of extra recovery time after that flying lap time trial. And who cracks first? It's Dornbach. So the German sprint champ, Max Dornbach, leads off once more. It actually loads up the muscles a little bit when you try and do the track stand, the balancing act. Does put the muscles under a little bit of extra pressure. Now they're up and going, very quickly up and going. They'll come around to get the bell. Dornbach leads them through. Forget about tactics now. It's going to be max speed from the two of the Maximilians. Dornbach leads them through. And down the back straight, Max Levy's coming. Levy around the outside. Max versus Max, and it's going to be Levy over the top of Dornbach, is it? Oh, I'm not too sure. It was incredibly close. It did look as if Levy had the faster speed. You can just tell both riders unsure of who got to the line first. Levy on the outside, I think it was. It was Levy. A time trial win.